Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to disable cloud save on EA app. So if you're looking to disable cloud saves on EA app, it's important to note that as of 2025, the EA app does not offer a global setting to turn off cloud saves across all games. However, there are workarounds you can employ to manage or disable cloud saving for individual games. Okay, and how do you do that? Let's go ahead and walk through the workaround. So some users have reported success in disabling cloud saves on a per game basis by adjusting settings within the EA app. So open the EA app, just launch the EA app on your PC, then go ahead and navigate to My Collections. All right, so I'll just head over to library, which you have all your collections or all the games that you have purchased. You're going to find all your installed game here in your library. So hover over the game you wish to modify. Once you hover over the game, I don't have any game that I have purchased here, so I don't have any game in my collection, but just hover over the game you wish to modify, then click on the three dots, that's the ellipses that appear, then select view properties from the drop down menu. In the properties window, look for a checkbox labeled enable cloud saves, then uncheck this box to disable cloud saving for that specific game. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Now, this option may not be available for all games as the EA app's interface and features can vary depending on the title. Now, I'm going to walk you through the second step. Play in offline mode. Now, playing games in offline mode can prevent the EA app from syncing your saves to the cloud. What you need to do is to launch the EA app on your PC. Then once you do that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and click on Go Offline from the drop down menu. So once you do that, launch your game with the app in offline mode. Could just go ahead and start your game, and that's pretty much it. Now, some games may require an initial online check before allowing offline play. So additionally, any progress made while offline will not sync to the cloud until you go back online. So the third step is to block EA app services via firewall. This is for advanced users. So for advanced users, blocking specific EA app services can prevent cloud syncing. So press key and S and type Windows Defender Firewall. So the Windows key and S. So, oh, that didn't really play out well. Oh, that was D, sorry. Okay, that doesn't seem like it's not working for me. But then for advanced user, just press the Windows key and S and type Windows Defender Firewall, then click on Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Okay, let's just go ahead and type it, Windows Firewall. So click on it, click on Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Then once you get into the window, in the left pane, go ahead and click on outbound rules, and in the right pane, click on new rule. And once you click on new rule, choose program, which is here, and select next. So browse to the EA apps installation directly. So just go ahead and click on browse and find the EA app, and once you're done, select next, then choose block the connection and click next. So ensure all profiles are checked, domain, private, public, and click next. Name the rule, block EA cloud save, and click finish. Now, this method is technical and may affect other functionalities of the EE app, which is why I don't want to do it. All right, so including game updates and online features, just go ahead and proceed with caution and consider consulting a tech professional before doing that. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelous